This is the SundpeyPRO 21 volt cordless pruning shears. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. First things first, you're going to want to read through the safety guidance in the user manual before using these. The blades on these are extremely sharp. The electric pruners come in a nice hard plastic carrying case. It's strong enough to store it flat with stuff on top of it, or if you want to, you can store it sideways like a book. Inside the case, you are obviously going to get the pruners. They've given us a little container full of oil. We have a sharpening stone, a wrench, and an Allen wrench for if you need to take the blade off to sharpen it, clean it, whatever. I've used these types of pruners for the last 3 years, and I am a big fan of these. They make quick work of garden cleanup stuff that I do, like after I prune my trees at the end of the year. I can cut limbs down into small pieces and throw away more than you can imagine into a leaf bag or even an old soil bag, like you can see me doing over here. The pruners are from the top of the blade to the bottom of the battery, about 13 inches tall, about 5 inches wide right here, and about 3 inches wide here. And this thing is super lightweight, coming in at under 3 pounds with the battery on it. It's made from a hard plastic or an ABS. I'm guessing the handle is it's a comfortable non-slip rubber. That's going to help with vibration reduction and fatigue. And the blades are made from SK5 high carbon steel, and they're pretty sharp, like I said before. It's easy to turn on. There's a switch on the back. You're going to get two 21 volt, 2000 milliamp rechargeable batteries with a charger. There's a light on the charger that will turn red when it's charging, and it turns green when it is complete. And you're going to want to fully charge these batteries before first use. And I was able to top these off pretty fast, maybe a half hour each. Having 2 batteries is great because you can get that extra runtime if you need it, and you can charge one of them while you're using the other one. You should be able to get somewhere from 4 to 8 hours per battery, depending on how hard it has to work to cut the limbs. I don't know if you heard the beep or not, but just so you know, they enter sleep mode after 1 minute of inactivity, and you can just double press the switch here to wake them back up. You actually have 2 battery indicators that you can reference. There's a button you can press on this one, shows you how many bars you have, and there is one here on this LCD display. The display also acts as a counter that resets to 0 when you turn it off. The printers have a brushless motor for more power and easier cutting. And a feature I thought was kind of cool is they have 2 different cutting sizes on the blades. If I'm going to the middle of this, maybe about 1.5 inches on the wide part. If you press and hold the button once, the trigger, you can see it shifted to smaller. It gives you about 1 inch in the middle right there. That's great for cutting smaller stuff like you can see me doing in the bag over here. And if you press and hold the trigger down again, let it beep once, it goes back to wide mode. That's kind of a cool feature, I think. If you're not going to be using it, you can actually press and hold the trigger down. It's going to beep twice and again, and that locks the blades into the closed position, which is another cool feature. If you want to open it back up again, just double click the trigger. Pruners like these would be great for landscapers, arborists, orchard workers maybe, people whose hands get sore from regular pruners. This would be great for winter pruning on fruit trees. You're going to want to make sure you clean the blades first. Definitely really good for garden cleanup. Great for pruning trees and bushes, cutting branches into small bits so that they're easier to haul away. All kinds of stuff. Very nice.